Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, True Nutra Store online supplement shop. So you might be wondering what is True Nutra here that you may be hearing or seeing online. So True Nutra here is an online supplement store offering nutritional products designed around different wellness goals. Now, according to the official website here, the company focuses on natural ingredients, transparent labeling, third-party testing, and science-backed formulation. Now, it says the supplements contain no proprietary blends, so the ingredients are listed clearly here. Now, the thing with this one is one of the feature products here is the 6-in-1 lymphatic, currently listed at around $40 per package. Now, the website describes it as containing 6 natural ingredients and says it is designed to support lymphatic function and circulation. Now, the company also says that its products are manufactured in a GMP certified facility and undergo independent laboratory testing for quality. Now, these are claims inside the website and also for safety and label accuracy. Now, those are mentioned in here as well. Now, through Nutra here, it's if you're going to visit their website as well, they do mention 24/7 customer support through live chat, email, and phone, and the website advertises a 90-day money-back guarantee. Although individual product terms can vary here, so visiting the actual product page here is highly recommended if you do intend on buying one of their products. So, for purchasing here, you can just browse the products on the True Nutra website. So, from then on, you can just visit their homepage here, and you'll be able to see all the products listed in here as well. So, if you want to buy that specific product, you go and just click on the Shop Now button, and you'll be able to see the details of one of the products that you've selected. Now, from then on, if you want to learn more about the product, formulation, the supplement facts here, and a lot more, like returns, or if you need help, or if you need to contact them, you'll also be able to see it in here. So, yeah. So, it works like any kind of shop out there. You could choose your package here. So, like buy one, get one free, or you could buy two, get two free. So, it depends on what you want. And from then on, you can go and just click on the add to cart, or you could go and choose the subscribe to save 35% from your order. But if you click on add to cart here, it will be added to your cart, and you'll be able to check out using your details here. Now, you could either use Shop or Google Pay here as an express checkout, but you do need to provide the necessary details like your contact details, delivery address, and also your shipping method and your payment details here. And once you click on place order, that should place your order inside the shop. So, yeah, if in simpler terms here, True Nutra here is an online supplement shop focused on natural ingredients or ingredient formulas, third-party testing, and transparent ingredient labeling with products aimed at different wellness needs. Now, again, these are claims that you can see on the website or promotions that you may be seeing. Now, since these are dietary supplements, the company itself recommends consulting your healthcare provider before starting a supplement regimen, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or have a medical condition. So, doing your own research on specific supplements and its ingredients is also recommended before purchasing here. And as you can see at the very bottom of their page, they do say that these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, and this product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So that's why consulting your doctor is really important before starting any kind of supplements, just to be on the safe side. Now, reading reviews outside and inside the website is highly recommended just to make sure that you're getting the most out of your money. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.